Hey everybody, this is Kaiju Hunter, and today we're going to open up some Sky Legends. This should be fun. I haven't opened up a pack in a while, so let's see what we get. Jumping straight into it. I know that the big card to try and get right now is the 3 legendary bird Pokemon with the stained glass window alternate art. I think it's the most expensive card in this set. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's the big one. Let's just dump all those bad boys out. Should be 30 packs in there. We'll slap this right there. And let's just hop straight into it. See what we get. Get rid of the trash. Pull these cards out. One to the front. Let's see. Adino. Drodigarion. Type Null. I have no idea. Fruit Pokemon. And one of the island legendaries. The dolphin looking one. Not 100% familiar with some of the newer Pokemon. I mean, I've played the game, I've beat through it, but it's just like, I don't know, there's a lot to remember and to learn. Let's see, what is it? Oh, there's the rock crab dude. I can't even remember his name. What is that? Fletchling? I never learned that legendary. And there's the grass praying mantis Pokemon I don't even know. And Megaton's evolution, whose name I don't even know, as our first foil. Yeah, I don't know a lot of these Pokemon. I mean, I know of them, and if you said their name, I could tell you who it was, but out of the box, I couldn't tell you. It looks like a prism of some sort that has a GX move on it. Interesting. What Fletchling evolves into before it becomes Talonflame. Hoot Oot with Zapdos in the background. There's Magneton. And there's our foil double. How nice. That can go into the pile of giveaways. A double this early of a foil. Not so hot so far, box. Need to work on your rarity drop. So I assume a Recycle Energy, Snorunt, Lickitung, Magnemite, Abomasnow, I think is what that is. I'm probably wrong. It's been a long time since I've done old Pokemon, because I believe that's Diamond and Pearl is where Snorunt comes from. Abomasnow. Licky Licky, one of the 3 legendary Pokemon again. What that fruit evolves into. Type Null. Ooh. Rainbow GX. I know it's an Ultra Beast. I think it's a... I don't even know what this thing is. All I know is it's going straight into a case before I get my dirty man hands all over it. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, box. Not so bad. I guess that qualifies as our full art, or does that qualify as our GX? But that's a beautiful thing to pull. Let's keep diving into this. Get this collection complete. How many cards are in this set? Oh, there's Jesse's Arbok. Looks like 54 cards. So, not a huge set. Jesse's Arbok. Snowflake Dude. Coughing. Grass Praying Mantis. And that's definitely the Poke Freak. Rolling around in Pokemon battles, wearing a Slowpoke outfit. It's a freak show if I've ever seen one. That's Talonflame. I do know him. And then Fletchling, Snorunt, Drugarion, and why isn't the other a foil? Now, there's supposed to be 3 of these. There's a purple one, the gold one, and then I think a blue one? Well, that goes into my pile for my book. Trying to complete the set. Let's see if we can pull off GX Legendary Bird Trio. Alright, so there's Camerupt, Nemule, Magneton, yeah, there's the blue one, and then a different Prism GX. You're only allowed to use one GX move. I wonder if that's a viable thing to do instead of using a GX Pokemon, is using a GX item attack. Or maybe it attaches, I don't know. I haven't seen the English version of these cards. I just got this set in. Frozen Stadium, as far as I know. Wait, is that Snorunt? Shorunt? Ooh, I don't know. Might have been saying the wrong thing. I know that's Noctowl. And that's a Grass Praying Mantis. And that's Victini. I love Victini. Cute little thing. Let's see, give us some big stuff. A Surfboard, Talonflame's middle form. That dude evolves into Rainbow Guy. I'm not too sure what he is besides an Ultra. Is that Nopal or whatever his name is? I don't know. Fruit and another Ultra Beast. Electric Wireman. Now the Ultra Beast, you know, it's just kind of meh to me. I didn't really care. It was alright, but it wasn't like groundbreaking. There's James right in the tiny corner of his wheezing. Hoot again. Ekans with Articuno in the background. Whew. And there's the little mud crab with Moltres in the background. All 3 birds in one go. And a foil of Team Rocket. The full art would be really nice to have. I've seen the full art picture of that one and I'd really like it. But that wasn't a bad pull. Foiled trainers are always nice. Okay, here's that GX Prism again. Nemule, Coughing, Snowflake. Pretty sure that's Abomasnow. Not 100%. I'm probably wrong. There's that mud crab. Megaton. Again, for the life of me, I can't remember what those dudes are called. Lickitung. Ooh. What is that? I feel like I know this guy's name. Starts with a K-E. That's not a bad GX. I will take it. No tag teams so far, but a Rainbow GX? Yeah, I'll take it. Let's grab another pack here. Just work our way through. Alright. One to the front. And you know what? We're going to do something a little special. We're going to take this card, because that should be the rare. If it's a rare. And we're going to set the other pile down. Then we're going to cut this one open. Do the same thing. Move to the front. Whew. Almost lost it. Let's see. Take the in card. Put it there. Take the rest of the stack. Put it down here. Take a third one. Ooh, bumped my camera. Pull that one out. One to the front. Then we're going to want to take the back end card, put it face down. Let's go through all the chump change cards if I did this right. So one of the island protectors, what the fruit evolves into, Drugagaron, Magnemite, Licky Licky, Type Null, that might be Shore Runt. One of the three, I still can't remember the names. Energy Recovery or Recycle, Grass-Paying Mantis, Fletchling, and that Ultra Beast. So then, let's take a look here at the three that we pulled. There's Audinho, Jesse's Arbok, and is that Lucine or whatever her name is from Sun and Moon as my foil. I'm pretty sure that's her husband in the back before she went psycho. It's not bad. Trainer foil, I know that needs to go in my case. A couple of foils I didn't put in cases, but I'll get to them. Let's see. That's the Pokemon Freak. Drugagaron. Again, can't remember her name. Magneton and Abomasnow. If I'm wrong, I apologize. I mean, it would make it a whole lot easier if, you know, I bought English cards and then just read off of those, because then I wouldn't be wrong. The Pokefreak, what is it? I know it's Pole something. I don't remember. Type Null, the Fruit, and a foil of this guy again, so that can go straight into the giveaway pile. So, for all the Japanese cards, every double is given away, while all the first picks are going into the binders you see back here. These binders here are all filled with the different Japanese sets, but those are for me. Let's see, there's that GX Prism. I still I don't want to be wrong. Ekans, Knocked Owl, Flame Talon, or Talon Flame, whatever its name is. Everybody used that bird because it was a little overpowered. Let's see, Camerupt, Praying Mantis, Talonflame's middle form, Hoothoot just trying to go to bed, and another Victini, so that goes into the pile of giveaways. Let's see, another Stadium card, the Mud Crab, the Fairy Pokemon, Snowflake, and Island Protector. Tapu something. Now the GX has got to be somewhere near the bottom of this pile. Alright. So, Jesse's Arbok, Snowdude, Lickitung, Magneton, and I don't even remember his name. It's like Silvally or something like that. Falls from Type Null when you just take his mask off, so it's not really an evolution. He just doesn't have the helmet on anymore. There's another one of the Prism cards. A Mule, Fletchling, Magnemite, Electric Ultra Beast. Where are the GX cards? Jeez. Only pulled 2 of them. They must be at the very end. Let's see. Licky Licky, Druddigaron, Coughing, that Pokemon again, There we go. Oh, him, but not super formed. Alright, sure. I'll take it. Ultra Beast Dragon that evolves from the pole dude. Alright. Give me Zapdos and Articuno, please. Or a tag team of any sort. I haven't gotten any tag teams. Surfboard. That dude. That chick. The bird. Camerupt. Nothing. Come on. Okay. Talonflame. Praying Mantis. Snow Runt that I'm probably wrong at. Noctowl. And I know that's Frostlass. And I like Frostlass. Well, besides, all foils need to go inside of a case so I can put them inside the folders, keep them nice. That's just me. Alright, one to the front. Electric Ultra Beast. Oop. Ekans. Fruit. Hoot Hoot. Stadium. I've only got 3 more. I've only pulled 3 GXs. There must be one more in here. Let's see. GX Prism, Snowflake, Coughing, Fletchlink's Evolution. There we go. Finally. Tag team Zapdos, Moltres, and Articuno. Wasn't the exact tag team I was looking for, but it's the first tag team we got. Finally. 300 HP. This beefy pair. Alright, we got 2 more packs. Let's burn it. Burn straight through this. Come on, give me another GX. Or a full art. That might be all we get. Audinio, Mudcrab, Lickitung, Magnemite. James is wheezing. Last pack. Come on, come on. Be something good. Probably not, though. It's probably not going to be. That's probably everything we got is right there. Let's see. Surfboard, Nemule, some dude, type null, and we ended on a foil. It's that Fruit's Final Evolution. And I was just slightly suggestive there. Just a little bit suggestive. Pokemon, what are you thinking? You obviously know what you're doing. Well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy it. There's some pretty decent pulls here. Especially the rainbow. Oh, it's beautiful. Leave a comment, subscribe, let me know if you liked it, if you hate it, you know, whatever you want. Catch you guys next time.